Hi everyone, let me show you how to make a delicious pumpkin flan just in time for Thanksgiving or Christmas. You all are going to love this one. To start this recipe, I'm going to be adding all of my ingredients to my blender. So I'm first going to go in with 1 can of pumpkin puree. And you can also make your own puree at home by placing some pumpkin in a pot with a little bit of water and allowing it to cook until it's very tender. In goes 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And if you wanted to use half can, of course you can. In goes some vanilla essence or extract. Next, a few drops of Angostura bitters and 4 to 5 large eggs. In goes half a cup of powdered milk, half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, a quarter of a teaspoon of pimento berries grounded. I promise you all this will make or break this recipe, so please use it. Grate in some fresh nutmeg and some fresh ginger. The fresh ginger is a must. Now you want to cover, and I forgot to add in my heavy cream, so I'm adding in that now, and then blend until it's nice and smooth. Once it's done, we're going to go ahead and just set it aside. You want to check for the consistency, make sure it's perfect, nice and thick. Let's make that sugar coating for the bottom of our pan. So half a cup of sugar with a quarter cup of water, and we're going to bring this up to a simmer. Once it's nice and thick and bubbly, we'll transfer it to a greased baking dish. So you want to do this on a medium heat and stir, stir, stir. Once the sugar starts to get a little thick, you'll know that it's ready. It'll be bubbling just like this. Pour it into your greased baking dish and swirl it all around to make sure that it covers the bottom of the baking dish. Next, we're going to pour that blended mixture, but we're going to strain it. I like to strain it in case you have any bits or pieces in there you want to get out. Now, once you finish straining it, we need to put this in a water bath. So I don't have a vessel that's big enough to hold this, so I'm going to be using my hex-clad wok. So I'm just moving this aside, place the water into the hex-clad wok, and then place that mixture into there, and then this goes to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. And when it's done, you want to allow it to cool down completely before unmolding. If you unmold while it's warm, it will break apart. So you can refrigerate and unmold the next day. And this is going to give you the best flan you have ever tried. I promise you, it's totally amazing. A nice, smooth, bubble-free flan. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Be sure to give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember, if you have any questions about my recipes, you can always email me. I'll leave my email right here for you all. Thank you all so much for joining me. Try this, comment down below and let me know what you think. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.